Our inspiration for the concept Link was to create a vehicle for urban areas. On the one hand, you need all the requirements which are necessary. You have zero emission, you have a luggage room, you have comfort, you have wind and weather protection. On the other hand, in nowadays world, you always want to stay connected with your friends. You want to know what way to go, you want to know where your friends are, and you want to know where the next coffee point is, for example. And you will find all this in the concept Link, because you will be perfectly connected on the bike with your smartphone. So our concept Link is the perfect synthesis, the perfect link between these two worlds. Design-wise, if you look at the bike, obviously it looks very different. It's neither a motorbike and it's neither a scooter. It has a very own formal language, which starts first of all by the proportion. So you have a flat battery at the bottom, which is very good for center of gravity. It's very good for luggage compartment, for a very new arrangement of all the components. It's very clean. It's more like let's say like a mobile device. We have a small display which is really required for the only necessary information, like speed, for example. And then we have a second display which is bigger in size, where you have all the secondary functions. For example, like telephone, audio, navigation, or comfort features, for example. And last but not least, there's a connection with the rider gear, which also will transport information by vibration or by light or these kind of things. So all in all, I think this is a very innovative and a very interesting concept for the future in urban transport.